Good morning everybody, welcome to day 4 of our America Disney World adventure. So today we are going to the Disney Animal Kingdom. So I'll see you when we arrive there. So we are inside of the animal park and I'm not sure, but I think this is kind of like a zoo with added Disney attractions, which all are related to animals. But I guess we'll see. Right now we have multiple like animal cages with no real impressive animals in there. So yeah, we'll see what we'll meet on our way. So we are currently on the way to the new Pandora attraction, which seems to be really big and really impressive. But also since it's new and really big, it's probably gonna be busy. So that's why we're already heading there, so the line may not be 5 hours long yet. So it just has a wait time of over 3 hours all day, every day for the past month. So we're just gonna pre-order a fast pass for somewhere in the next week so that we have already got a spot and we are sure to get in there. But yeah, it doesn't seem like we're gonna do it today. So right now we're just gonna stand in line for the Navy River journey, which is also supposed to be really beautiful, but also this one has a wait line of 75 minutes. So this is gonna take a while. We are finally inside. It took us like 2 hours, but there we go. This is so cool. It's so well made. This is insane. So the Navi River ride was really cool, except it wasn't worth the waiting. Because we literally had to wait for like 2 hours and the ride was only like 10 minutes max. So that was a bit of a waste, but now we have done one of the two attractions in this area of the park. So now we're just heading on to the dinosaur area. So I'm excited to see what they've done with that area. So see you when we're there. So I just noticed that the whole time my settings were off, so I'm sorry if my video is kind of weird because of that. I'm trying to fix it, but I can't like reshoot what we just did, so I'm sorry, but from now on the quality will be like it's supposed to be. So we still have an hour left before our fast pass begins, so now we're just gonna go in this one in the meantime. Here we go, it's time to get Disney. So we are at the dinosaur attraction right now, except we are like 10 minutes early for our fast pass. So we just have to wait until our fast pass is activated and then we can go inside. But I'm curious because they have a lot of dinosaurs over here and they're all pretty realistic, so I'm excited. Whoa, that one was really intense. So I didn't record it because it was not only in the dark again, which means that you barely could see anything, and also because it was a bit of a heavy ride because the cart was going all the way. It was like a 4D movie, you know, where the bench moves, except in a ride. So it was pretty insane. But man, that one was cool. This is how you decorate a store. So we just had the final attraction at the dinosaur part, so now we're heading on to the Asia part, where our next fast pass is headed. So here we are, the Mount Everest Express. So we just came out of the Everest Express and it was a really cool one. It was the most like roller coaster one yet, because it was just a normal roller coaster, except like in the beginning it went backwards through the dark, so you had no clue where you were going or what was going on, because not only were you going backwards but also you couldn't see a single thing, which was really cool. So yeah, we might go do that one again, since there is a 10-minute line if you're going on your own instead of with a group, which is pretty freaking decent. 10 minutes is not that long and it's a really cool ride. So we might go do that one again, but first we're gonna head on to the Africa section. So I'll see you when we arrive there. Rest in peace, Harambe. We will miss you. So we just checked and the Pandora attraction has been full for the whole entire stay that we are in America. So we have no other choice than to stand in line for 3 hours. So we'll just kind of do that, because that's the only way we are going to be able to do the attraction. And since it's that popular, it has to be good, right? So yeah, see you in 3 hours. So it is almost our turn, but it was the longest wait ever. But at least it was a cool wait. They had a lot of cool stuff in between. But I just hope that the ride is worth it. We'll see. Apparently I match up with a female avatar, so let's go. wasn't allowed to film because the woman saw me recording the beginning and then she got mad and I had to put away my camera. But holy shit, that was insane. I've never experienced anything like it, and I probably probably won't experience anything like that soon. That was absolutely insane. It was like a 4D movie, but I think you can add like 5 or 6D because it was absolutely mental. You were making a Banshee ride in 4D on some kind of scooter. You could fuel it, you could see it, you could smell it, you could hear it, you could everything. It was insane. Holy shit, that was definitely worth the waiting. That was insane. If you have the chance to do that, go do that. You won't regret it. That was awesome. That was insane. So we are at the Avatar Park again, and as you can see, everything is lit, the floor is lit, all the plants are lit. It is really cool, so we're just gonna have a look around right now and enjoy the wonderful glow-in-the-dark view. So today was another amazing day. I managed to record almost all of the attractions except for the Pandora one, but that's the new one, so I get that you're not allowed to film in there. But yeah, I got all the other on video, and today was another wonderful day, some crazy attractions. And yeah, I hope to see you back tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to one of Disney's swimming aqua parks. So stay tuned for that. But right now it's time to go to bed. So good night, see you tomorrow.